Find the inverse of the following functions. F of x equals the fifth root of x. That 5 is in the little check mark part of the x, just as a clarification there. The fifth root of x divided by 5. And again, all that we can do is copy down the problem, and then we can flip over to our paper, and we can work it out. So I have it written down a little bit easier to see, at least I hope it is. And our first step is to rewrite f of x as y. And then what we want to do is we want to switch the x and the y. X goes where y went, y goes where x went. So it's going to be x equals the fifth root of y divided by 5. In order to solve this problem, our next step is going to be to multiply this side by 5, because we want to get rid of the fraction. And if we multiply the right side of the equation by 5, we have to multiply the left side of the equation by 5. So now what we have is we have 5x equals the fifth root of y. And ultimately what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for y. So now we have to undo this fifth root idea, which means that we're going to raise the right side of the equation to the fifth power, and we're going to raise this side to the fifth power. But be really, really careful over here on this left side. On the right side, the fifth root and to the fifth power cancel each other out. We get y. But on this side, what happens is, because we have something inside the parentheses raised to what's outside, this means that it's going to be 5 to the fifth, and it also means x to the fifth. Both of these values, the 5 as well as the x, get raised to the fifth power. I've already typed in 5 to the fifth power in my calculator. Use Desmos if you need to. But when we do, it is 3,125 x to the fifth equals y, which is really our inverse.